Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the unit over and remove two 8mm screws, two captive screws, and two 5mm screws. Gently insert the opener pick between the palmrest and the bottom cover and slide along the edges to pop the palmrest free. Prop the palmrest up, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the touchpad cable from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the palmrest cable from the motherboard. Peel back the tape and unplug the battery from the motherboard. Remove one 3.5mm screw from the Wi-Fi bracket. Remove the bracket, and gently pull up to unplug the antenna cables from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the daughterboard cable from the motherboard. Peel back the tape and unplug the camera cable from the motherboard. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the LCD cable from the motherboard. Unplug the speakers from the motherboard. Remove 5 3mm screws from the motherboard. Gently lift up and pull back on the motherboard, taking care not to bend or damage the ports. Replace the motherboard back into the port slots, and be sure to get all the cables out from underneath. Replace the 5 3mm screws back into the motherboard. Plug the daughterboard cable back into the motherboard. Plug the camera cable back into the motherboard. Plug the LCD cable back into the motherboard. Plug the speakers back into the motherboard. Gently push down to plug the antenna cables back into the motherboard. Replace the bracket and replace the one 3.5mm screw. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the Palmrest. Plug the touchpad cable back into the motherboard. Plug the Palmrest cable back into the motherboard. Lay the Palmrest down and push down to snap it back into place. Replace the two 8mm screws, the two 5mm screws, and tighten the two captive screws in the bottom cover.